To uninstall apps on your Pioneer Xumo TV, start by pressing the Home button on your remote. Navigate to Settings, usually represented by a gear icon. Then select Apps. From the list of installed applications, choose the one you wish to remove, such as Netflix or Hulu. Select the Uninstall or Delete option. If the app is unresponsive, try Force Stop first. Note that certain pre-installed apps, like the Xumo Player, cannot be uninstalled due to their integration with the TV's ad-supported service. To reinstall an app, return to the Google Play Store on your Xumo TV's home screen. Search for the app and select Install. Re-adding apps is a useful troubleshooting step, as it can clear cached data and resolve performance issues. Keep in mind that uninstalling and reinstalling apps can also free up storage space on your device. If you encounter issues with pre-installed apps that can't be uninstalled, consider checking for firmware updates. Pioneer frequently releases updates to improve app stability and performance.